guys, so obviously I'm plowing, as you can see. I got the smart LED light on the hood, and let's see what we're testing out with the dual battery kit. You guys are gonna see right there if it once I drop see when I hit the plow, the light didn't dim, and I'll do it raising the plow at the end here. This way here, well, you guys are gonna know if it was worth it doing the dual battery, making a change. So I'll take a look on it. I'm gonna raise it. There we go. Why did you turn off the blower full blast? I guess we're gonna have to do it again. The wife was thinking of you guys being less noisy in the cab to show you, but I want it with the blower on, the interior light on. I got my cab, I got my light in the back on in the box. The only thing I don't have on is the music. And so far, I know that it's not dimming. And if it does dim, it's because I'm forcing it up, like when I'm plowing in the snowbank. It might have a little tweak, but it used to go black, right? Like it used to dim right out. So, and here we're going up, and no light turning off. So, I just wanted to show you guys that. I don't think you guys want to see me plowing snow again, so I just wanted to make a quick one. So I'm happy with the battery, what it's doing. Oh, and also on startup, I gotta show you guys this. So turn off the heat. There we go. Silence everything. Put it in park. Turn this thing off. Listen to how fast it cranks over and starts fast now. Oops, gotta put my foot on the brake. Check that out. So, better starting? Definitely. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. Oh, I was asked a question too, maybe for some people that want to know. How's the weather? It's minus 20 outside, I think, right now. Or 20 something. And I'm in a t-shirt. Been plowing snow and I got half my driveway done. And yeah, can't even run the heat on full blast. So, I'm happy with that too. But I was asked that, how's the cab for the heat and everything? It's awesome. So comfort again, and we'll catch you on the next one. So bye for now, and guys be safe out there and have fun plowing. Hey guys. So we got the Ravic flashers going, clean the snow. We got the music blaring, the heat on full blast. We're just about done. I'm backlighting just to be picky and making a nice finish. And had the smart light in the front on the whole time. And also, I'm not giving it a break. I'm backing up and lifting all the time and just finishing off the yard, making it all nice. And no coats, no power, no lights dimming. Music blaring, heat on full blast. As you can see, I got my window open here. It was too hot in here, and I wanted to test the limits of it. So, anyways, yeah. So thanks for watching to the end. And obviously, we know that extra battery works great. And almost done doing my driveway. I think we're gonna go out for a ride.